Here is an AT&T 5510 telephone. The AC adapter got damaged in shipping. This is kind of an odd shipping damage. But nonetheless, we need to fix this so that it can be useful again. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of flood this whole thing with hot glue. And that should be enough to keep the prongs in place. And then I may have to piece this together with something more precise, perhaps the Crazy's glue or something like that if I can't get it to stick with the hot glue. It's not a very sightly repair, but since that's up against the wall anyways, I don't think it matters. It seems to work. So let's go ahead and plug this up and see if the phone itself will work. Looks like it is working. So that has now been repaired.